All right, let's talk about a little tool in Microsoft Word that is going to completely change the way you work. I'm serious. Get ready to say goodbye to all that tedious formatting and hello to your brand new favorite shortcut.
Oh, you know the feeling, right? You've spent ages getting a heading just perfect. The font, the size, the color, the bolding. It's a masterpiece. And now you have to do it 10, 20, 100 more times throughout your document. It's so frustrating, it's slow, and let's be honest, it's a total waste of your time.
Yep, let's just call it what it is, the formatting headache. It's that grind we've all been through, spending way more time clicking buttons to make things look right than we do on the actual words themselves.
I mean, just look at the difference here. On one side, you've got the old manual way. Select the text, hunt for the right font, change the size, click bold, find the right color. I mean, the list just goes on for every single change. But on the other side, the Format Painter way, it's just one single click. That's it.
So how do we get in on this one-click magic? Well, it's time to meet the hero of our story today. A simple little tool that's basically a magic wand for your document style.
Okay, so what is this thing really? It's super important to get this. The Format Painter doesn't copy your words. It copies the style. We're talking font, size, color, borders, bullet points, even those fancy shadow effects. It copies all of that and then lets you just paint that style onto any other piece of text you want.
And the best part? You don't have to go digging for it. Just look for this little paintbrush icon. It's right there in the Home tab on your Word ribbon, usually hanging out right next to copy and paste. Yep, it's been hiding in plain sight this whole time.
Okay, let's walk through the most basic, but honestly incredibly powerful way to use this thing. This is the foundation for everything else, so let's nail this down.
Seriously, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, you just select the text that has that perfect style you want to copy. Second, you click that paintbrush icon one time. You'll see your mouse pointer turn into a little paintbrush. It's kind of cool. And third, you just paint over the text you want to change by clicking and dragging. Let go of the mouse and boom, instant transformation.
But wait, that single-click method? That's just the beginning. Now we're going to get into the real pro tips, the stuff that will turn you into a formatting superstar.
If you're someone who lives and dies by keyboard shortcuts, you are going to love this. Forget clicking the icon, just select your source text and hit Ctrl-Shift-C. That copies the formatting. Then go to your new text and hit Ctrl-Shift-V to paste it. Think of it like a copy and paste, but just for the style. So cool.
Okay, that's great for one-off changes. But what about the really big jobs? You know, when you need to apply that same heading style to like 15 different sections all over a huge report, clicking the icon again and again and again, that would still be a total pain, right?
Well, this next trick, this is the real game changer. Instead of a single click on the icon, give it a quick double click. Now that paintbrush cursor is locked on. It's not going anywhere. You can just fly through your document, clicking and painting every single piece of text you want to change, one after the other. And when you're all done, just hit the escape key on your keyboard to turn it off. Simple as that.
So as you can probably tell by now, this is way more than just a neat little trick. Seriously, mastering this one simple tool is like getting a brand new superpower for editing your documents. Let's just quickly recap why this is so huge.
The payoff here is absolutely massive. First off, the time you save is incredible. We're talking about getting rid of dozens, maybe even hundreds of repetitive clicks. Second, it guarantees your document is perfectly consistent, which is so key for looking professional. And maybe most importantly, it lets you focus on what actually matters, your ideas, your content, your words, not all that tedious formatting busy work.
And there you have it, the Format Painter, completely demystified. It's a simple tool, but it delivers such massive results. So now that you've got this new superpower in your toolkit, it kind of makes you wonder, right? What other hidden gems are just waiting in Microsoft Word to make our lives easier? Let me know what you think we should explore next.